As software developers, we love Python because it is easy to read and write and packed with incredible libraries to solve complex problems like AI, machine learning, deep learning, and robotics problems. But when it's come to speed and performance, it's painfully slow. But on the other hand, languages like C++ gives us the best performance and speed, but they are difficult to read and write and hard to maintain. What if I told you we don't have to compromise anymore? A new language has been released called Mojo, which combines the easy syntax of Python with the high performance and speed of C++. It is completely open source and it is the biggest thing happening in the tech right now. In this video, we will see what Mojo is and why this release changes everything for high performance development, and in the end we will write our first program together. So let's dive in. Mojo is the newest programming language which gives us the code that looks and feels like Python, but under the hood it compiles straight down to the native machine code which gives us the highest performance. It was built from day one specifically to solve complex and heavy tasks like AI, machine learning, deep learning, and performance critical systems without forcing us to deal with the headaches of the other low-level languages. And the big news is they have just released their first stable version, meaning no more constant breaking changes, so developer can trust it for long-term software production. Let's first install this Mojo language inside our Windows PC because its SDK and compilers are natively built for Linux and Mac OS system. If you want to run this language inside your Windows PC, we have to use the WSL, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux. To install the WSL, open your command prompt and type cmd and run your command prompt as an administrator. Now type WSL space -- install and press enter. Now it is downloading the Windows subsystem for Linux, and after that it will install this inside your terminal. After successful installation, you will see this, the operation completed successfully. Now for the successful operation we have to reboot our system. After restart, now we have to install the Ubuntu inside our WSL. For this, open your command prompt again and run it as an administrator. Now inside cmd type again WSL space -- install and press enter. Now it is downloading the Ubuntu first, then it will install the Ubuntu. If you are installing it for the first time, you have to create your username and you have to set your password. Now retype your password again and press enter. Type Y and press enter. Now we are inside our Ubuntu terminal. Next we have to install the Mojo language. We can install it by using any Python or Conda package manager, but the most recommended way is either using Pixie or UV environment, because in this way it will not break other projects that are already written in Python. I'm going to install it by using the UV environment. If UV is already not installed inside your WSL, to install this, copy this command from here, go inside your Ubuntu terminal and paste it here and press enter. After successful installation, you will see this UVX, everything's installed successfully. Next we have to install the Mojo by using UV commands. Here we have two options. If you want to use Mojo for all of your projects, then the best option is to install it system-wide by using this command. And if you want to use it only for a specific project, then the best option is to create a project first and then install Mojo inside this project by using these commands. For example, I want to use it for a specific project, so first we have to create a project by using this UV command. So copy it from here, go back inside your Linux terminal and paste it here and press enter. If you are getting this error UV command not found, we have already installed this UV but we forget to add it inside our path, so we have to either restart our shell or we have to run those commands to add it inside our path. So I'm going to copy this command first from here and paste it here and press enter. Similarly, you have to copy the second command and paste it here and press enter. Now to check if UV is working properly, you have to type UV here and press enter. Now UV command is working properly. Now let's create our project. Copy this first command from here, go back inside your terminal and paste it here and press enter. Now everything is working fine. Next we have to navigate inside this project, so copy the second command from here and paste it here and press enter. Now we are inside our project temperature analyzer. Now we have to install Mojo inside this project. For this you have to copy this third command from here, go back into terminal and paste it here and press enter. Here you can see that it is installing the three important things. The first one is the Mojo language, the second one is the Mojo compiler, and the third one is the Mojo LLDB libraries. It will take few minutes to complete this installation. After successful installation, you will see this install 10 packages in 18 milliseconds. Now to verify the installation, inside your terminal type uv space run space mojo space minus minus version and press enter. Our Mojo is installed properly and successfully, and we have installed the Mojo version 1.0.0. Now let's create our first program in Mojo language. For this I'm going to open this project called Temperature Analyzer inside VS Code. For this press Windows key and type VS Code, open a new window. The first thing here is we have to connect this VS Code with the Ubuntu terminal. Click here, open remote session. Now select connect to WSL using distro and select Ubuntu default distro. Here you can see that it is successfully connected with the WSL Ubuntu terminal. Now go inside this Explorer. Here we will open our project inside this VS Code. Click on open folder. Here we are inside our Ubuntu terminal. Here is our project called Temperature Analyzer. Click on this, click on OK. Here you can see that our project is successfully opened inside the VS Code. Now go inside the source temperature analyzer and create a new file called analyzer.mojo. Now inside this Mojo file we will write our first Mojo program. Let's create a function called main, and inside this main function let's print temperature analyzer. Don't forget to save your file. Here you can see that the syntax is very similar with Python. Now to test this program, we have to go back inside our terminal. Here you have to type uv space run space mojo, and our Mojo file is inside the source directory and inside the temperature analyze directory. So type here source, type temperature analyzer. Now type the name of the Mojo file here and press enter. Here you can see the output of this program, temperature analyzer. That is Mojo. What are your thoughts about this new programming language? You can write down below in the comments, and if you want to jump into this journey and learn it with us, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.